Dear viewers, welcome to our TrendzBasket fashion channel. In today's video we are going to present here different types of stylish comfortable baby skirts design ideas. Latest fashionable outfits for your kids. We have a wide range of fantastic outfits for your lovely babies. Baby girls looks already cute in every dress that they adorn, but we got to admit that no dress can beat those cute little skirts. Pretty little skirts make them look cuter than a princess. Skirts never goes off trends and they becomes even prettier if worn by little angels. Get your hands on this pretty and comfy wear before it's gone. Different types of stylish comfortable baby skirts designs are given in this video for your collection ideas. Please watch till the end of this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting contents. Thank you. Good day.